Okay, it's day 11. We are leaving the Dolomites today. We are heading towards Austria. We're doing a couple of passes today. It's currently 9:20 and we've got to be out of here by 9:30, so we're just loading everything up. So we're going to go do Sella Pass right away because it's just up there. And we're going to get some drone footage because we couldn't do it the other day because it got too dark. And then we're going to crack on. We shall talk to you in a bit. Are you ready for today?
Yes. That's pretty cool.
They're bloody base jumping off of that. Here goes another one.
Jesus Christ.
Do you think he's making that noise?
Yeah.
They sound like aeroplanes. Oh, I'd love to have the balls to do that. But it goes against my main thing. Fear of falling. I don't like falling, that is all that is, just falling. Do you know they're base jumping?
Oh, they are? We just watched one.
They make noise like aeroplanes as they go past. Sound like a jet was going across. Like, But there he goes, right on top, right on top.
Oh yeah.
There he goes.
Oh my god. He's got that squirrel suit on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they get here and they pull the chute. But the other one, he went straight over there. He went,
That one bottled it.
you seriously?
I don't think bottom is anything to do with it.
Are you seriously questioning their bravery?
Bottom jump. He just jumps off a cliff.
Sorry, mate.
Here goes another one. Here comes another one.
Let him go. Oh.
Can you hear it? How long it must take to get all the way up there for like 20 seconds. A 20-second rush. Right, I've got to stop watching them because I've got to get things out of the room. Okay, so getting ready to load up and leave. It's about 10 o'clock. It's Saturday as well, so it could be a bit busy today. Chewy seems to be losing a bit of oil, so we might have to find some oil. So yeah, let's get on the road. I don't think that's going to close, babe. We've still got all of that stuff.
I always make it work.
So how's it going?
Swimmingly.
So you changed your tactics last time, didn't you? About how we're going to pack.
Yeah.
And how's it going?
Master packer, they have screwed up.
No, screwed up. So we put all the hoodies and stuff at the bottom of the top box, which is now lifted everything and now it won't close. It's just the snacks really.
The snacks are very important. They are vital to our travels. They keep us from getting hungry.
Yeah, they do help. They do help. They do help. Considering the tough times we went through in Norway, this trip's changed. I'm now having to eat snacks in order to fit things in. I'm having a great time.
And we haven't got room for the pot.
Yeah, go!
Planned it all along. Oh.
Do you want me to eat those too?
No!
Haribo?
They're mine.
Off to Sella Pass. Try and get some last drone footage of the Dolomites. This is Sella Pass. major parts of the Dolomites we're doing today and the trip, but we're heading towards Austria, which is like towards the Alps, and we think we might be doing the Jaufenpass, which is what we did do in the Alps, but we didn't have the drone, so it'd be quite cool to get some drone footage of that later. So yeah, let's get back on the road. Right, so this is probably the final ride through the Dolomites. The Dolomites have been lovely, it's going to be missed, it's been beautiful to watch, ride through and look at, and it'd be a shame to see it go. I felt a bit bad yesterday, but I get a bit fed up yesterday. The fact that everything takes bloody at least an hour to get to, and I'm going to regret feeling like that. So yeah, that is Dolomites. We are now officially on our way heading back home, working our way back up through Europe. Round this corner. We're coming up a different way than what we did last time, aren't we? Do you think? It had like a really big car park. It was a big old restaurant thing with all like outdoor seating, and I don't remember it being too far into the pass. I'm losing confidence, I must say. I thought we would have seen it by now. Big building, there's a massive car park. It was on a hairpin bend. Everyone was happy because they all sat down and had lunch. I was furious because we spent like 3 hours there, and it was like the first like proper sunny day after like Grossglockner. I'm so confident it is on this pass. I'm willing to bet money on it, and if they've knocked it down, I will be even more gobsmacked. What, they've knocked it down? Really? Try and find a place to stop. Well, there is food up the top, Nave. Do you want to shoot back up and go get some food there? So we're now at the bottom of Jaufenpass. Last time we was here, we stopped off and had some food. We were looking for that place. I thought it was at the start of the route kind of thing, and I thought today we came up a different way. Chewy thought he spotted the place where it was, but the place wasn't there anymore. And I couldn't believe that they would have knocked it down, so I thought it was further along on the other side of the mountain. Turns out, I think Chewy was right. Because we've come all the way down the mountain and there is no big restaurant place. I would have thought it would have stood out, like the big massive car park they got there. So yeah, so now we're going to have an angry Chewy and an angry Nathan because they're probably going to be very hungry. That's my bad. So now we're going to have to find a place for them to eat. Fun and games, eh? Fun and games. Looks like you were right, Chewy.
What?
Looks like you were right.
It happens occasionally.
So did you see the building, or has it been knocked down?
The building is not there, but I recognise the hairpin. I saw the hill that you climbed up on. I saw where I stopped.
On Google, yes, it's permanently closed. So yeah, it's either not there or. But it's a big building. I'm surprised.
I don't know if I apologise, but I definitely was wrong. Turns out I'm getting quite low on oil now too. I'm hoping that's not even ground. I reckon maybe we're on a hill. Maybe we're on a hill and it'll be fine.
I'm sweating.
That was Timmelsjoch Pass, and it was bloody nuts, wasn't it? That is a nuts pass. How is this not like a huge...
I thought we'd be going round the mountain, not like up the mountain.
It's bloody nuts, that place. It gets so narrow at places as well.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Shit yourself.
I'll find that.
Happy?
Happy.
Alright, the guys have had their food. We've got our drone shots. And I think we're going to start heading back. Jaufenpass. I don't know how we didn't know about it when we did the Alps. It's bloody amazing. Like, if you are here and you're doing the Alps and you're close to the Jaufenpass, do this. Because personally, I think it's something better than Jaufenpass, just because of the scenery. But now it looks like we've got to play another toll and another one for. We paid money and we have no idea what for. There was some like museum up there. I don't know, they've just got my money. Now we're on the way down.
This bed. That's the end of day 11. We're not in the mountains anymore, so it's bloody hot. What are we doing tomorrow, Nave? We're in Austria at the moment. We're going to a castle tomorrow.
So from here, castle in the morning.
Yeah.
And then we are making our way back into Germany to the south of the Black Forest.
That's tomorrow.
That's tomorrow.
Right, I've got to transfer all this footage over. I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Don't say it.
That's it.
Don't say it.
Don't say what?
Don't say it. Rude.
Think about subscribing if you could, that'd be great. And don't forget, shave your balls, not your face. Catch you later. Fuck off.
I don't care.